Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Homemaker. Friends, in organic gardening, we always try to find ways to deal with plant pests and other plant problems that do not involve the use of synthetic chemicals that can harm our environment. Now here, diatomaceous earth potentially can play a very important role. So diatomaceous earth is also known as diatomite, and it is basically a naturally occurring substance which is mined from certain lakebed deposits. Now this diatomaceous earth is made up of fossilized diatoms, which is a type of planktonic algae which can be found in oceans and freshwater lakes. Now the shells of these microscopic organisms give us this chalk-like powdery substance which is highly porous in nature, and that porosity is what helps us in gardening. Now in the market you might see two types of diatomaceous earth. First one is used for the industrial purposes and it is very high in silica, which makes it not suitable for use in garden and other household things. And the other one is the food grade diatomaceous earth. So if you want to use diatomaceous earth for gardening, make sure you buy a food grade one, which is much gentler and safer, and it can also be used for pets and other animals to get rid of the intestinal worms and other fleas and ticks on your plants, on your pets. The diatomaceous earth is a well-known all-round pesticide which is very much organic, non-toxic and completely biodegradable. Now when I say pesticide and then I say non-toxic, how does it go together? Well, diatomaceous earth, as I said, that it's porous in nature, so that porosity is what kills the insects and pests that come in contact with this diatomaceous earth, and they die of dehydration. So now let's talk about its uses. The first use is that diatomaceous earth acts as an effective pesticide. It is highly effective in killing all sorts of houseplant pests such as aphids, thrips, spider mites, mealybugs, grubs, bad worms, the soil, bad ones, and leaf miners, and many more houseplant pests. All you have to do is just sprinkle this diatomaceous earth on top of the affected area, on the leaves or the stem or the soil, whichever area is affected, and that's it. And you will see you'll get rid of all these houseplant pests within no time. The second point is controlling the fungus gnat infestation. Now fungus gnats are these notorious little creatures that can quickly infest all your house plants, container plants where the moisture and humidity is quite high. Now these fungus gnats are generally harmless to humans, but they can be very harmful for your plants because the larvae can eat up all the plant roots and they can affect the growth of your plants. And also these fungus gnats, they can grow very quickly and they're kind of very difficult to get rid of. So what you have to do is dust this diatomaceous earth on the topsoil and also do it on the saucer to get rid of them, because when you bottom water your plants and these fungus gnats are very clever creatures, they'll start breeding in the drainage holes as well. Now you can try the trick as well, and I'm pretty confident that you will also get rid of the fungus gnats. The third point is to control the ants. So even though these ants are quite helpful and useful creatures, but swarms of ants can be really damaging. They can damage your lawns, and the red fire ants can sting you badly. So to get rid of the ant hills and to control their growth, you can sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your garden bed or around the ant hills, and also you can add the diatomaceous earth in your potting mix to keep the ants away from your beautiful plants. The fourth point is to deter the slugs and snails. Now, spreading the diatomaceous earth around your beautiful plants and your veggie patch will deter the slugs and snails, because the sharp silicon edges of diatomaceous earth can create lots and lots of cuts on the soft bodies of the slugs and snails. I know it sounds really cruel, but what can you do to keep them away? So or you can just make a boundary around your plants, and you will see the slugs and snails staying away from your plants. The fifth point is to keep the maggots away. Now, compost piles can attract lots of unwanted bugs like maggots and rodents. Spreading this diatomaceous earth on your compost pile will help to keep these maggots and rodents away from the compost, and also it will help to deodorize your compost pile. Now, even though diatomaceous earth is non-toxic, still inhaling diatomaceous earth, which contains a lot of silica in it, can be really injurious to your lungs. So make sure that you wear some sort of mask or protective gear when you are administering diatomaceous earth in your garden. Also, make sure that you keep diatomaceous earth away from the reach of children and pets. Bees and wasps generally do not get affected by diatomaceous earth because we do not sprinkle the flowers with diatomaceous earth. But if you do, then please avoid doing that, because we don't want to kill our beautiful bees and wasps, which are really necessary for our existence. Don't sprinkle diatomaceous earth on the flowers. Just put them on the topsoil or on the affected leaves, but avoid touching the flowers. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have ever used diatomaceous earth, please do share your experiences with us. We would love to hear from you. And if you really like the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. We will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, stay safe, happy gardening. Bye-bye.